How to check Visa debit gift card balance. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you exactly check your Visa debit gift card balance. So checking the balance of your Visa gift card is a straightforward and easy process. So today I'll be assisting you in doing this. Normally, when you buy a Visa gift card, it includes a telephone number and a web address on the rare side. You must go to the web address given and input your card specifics like the card number, and after you provide your card number, they'll exhibit your balance and other pertinent details. So another method to check your Visa gift card balance is start by looking at the back of your gift card, and then typically you'll find a toll-free number you can call to discover your balance, or you can check your balance by visiting the card issuer site and entering your card's 16-digit number and the security code. And here in this page, you can also do the selection of your Visa gift card issues where you can check your balance online. You can go for vanilla gift cards, giftcards.com, gift card mall, Commerce Bank, Navy Federal, and Walmart. And if you want to manage your vanilla gift card, you can enter the card details to check the balance, review transaction, or activate the gift card. Enter your card number in this designated area over here. And then after the expiration date, by looking at the back of your card, enter the month in this area, then year and the CVV that has been provided in the back of your card. And click on the show card info or click on continue. View the balance in your card. So this was all about how to check the Visa debit gift card balance. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.